How's it going, YouTube? Today we're going to show you the field strip and reassembly of the Glock 19x. I'll show you a couple areas to clean. I'm not going to clean my firearm today. It does need a clean, but I'm going to do that here in a little bit. I've actually left my cleaning kit at my dad's house, so not able to do that for you guys right now. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure your gun is completely empty. You're going to want to look in there, make sure there's nothing in there. Nothing in the chamber. Go ahead and pull that trigger. This is going to set that trigger back, and that's going to be the thing that's going to allow you to take your slide off. So what I like to do is come at it like I'm going to the range, getting ready to use my firearm. Grip my hand up and just grip back just a little bit. You don't want to go too far, else it'll actually reset that trigger there. Take down your two pins over here, and that slide will come straight off of there for you. And here you can take your spring and your bolt out and clean all your inner mechanisms here. Anything that looks like it's been rubbed on and the paint has been taken off, or any areas that look like they've been collecting dust or anything like that, you want to clean out. You don't need to oil everything, just oil the things that look like they've been rubbing against other parts. So here you can take your spring out, take your barrel out. You can clean your barrel. You can take some brush, something like that. Sorry, I'm having a brain fart. Push all the excess gunpowder out of that barrel. Kind of just wipe your spring down and stuff like that. You could give it a little bit of oil if you want, but do not go crazy on it. That's just going to collect a bunch of dirt and other things like that you don't want. And down here, you want to oil that after you've cleaned inside of here. Get all the little hidden parts there that try to hide on you. Collect a little bit of gunpowder, dust, dirt, things like that, especially if you're somebody that goes out and uses their firearms in the woods and things like that. Takes it camping with you, stuff like that. They definitely get pretty gunked up pretty quick. I try to clean this every time I shoot the firearm over 15 or 20 rounds, or if I've taken it down into a rainy or muddy or dirty or sandy environment, something like that. So for reassembly of this, it's really easy. You'll take your barrel, you'll slide it back in right here, stick it in there, take your spring, load it in, and then you just slide this back on there, and you're good to go. Ready to reuse, ready to rock.